Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a new vehicle to account on EasyPark. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the EasyPark application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to EasyPark. But guys, if you of course have the application, you can also go log in. So guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us. We have, as you can see, the location where you can go and find your location, but my location service is off at the moment. But now guys, in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and add a new vehicle on account on EasyPark. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on these three dots. And here you have four options: activity, vehicles, account, and the payment. What you of course need to do is go on the vehicle option, which is the second option. Here you can confirm vehicle. Please enter correct details for vehicle Rego. So here you can add a new vehicle, as you can see. And this button will appear even if you put a new vehicle, because you can put as much as vehicles that you would like. So basically you just need to put a new vehicle, and here you can enter a vehicle registration number, add a nickname to your vehicle so that you will find it easier. It is optional, and then save the vehicle. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.